Maybe you're wondering, how do I know if my client needs Facebook and Instagram ads, or if they need Google ads, or if they need YouTube ads, etc., etc. I'm going to tell you the formula right now to figure it out. Okay, so in order to figure this out, you want to ask yourself and your client the question: when people decide they want to work with you, is it because they just sat down and Googled it? Or is it because they randomly saw it on an ad and they're like, light bulb moment, I need to do that? So for many people, like for example, take me as a coach. A lot of people will see my ad and they're like, light bulb moment, I need to learn more, right? And that's how they get the idea to work with me. Now, for many, many clients, people will sit down and Google them. Take lawyers, for example. A lot of people are like, okay, I'm going to Google lawyer in my neighborhood to see who's here. So in that case, if most people say, well, they probably just sit down and Google me, you probably know that Google Ads and SEO is the place to start. Now, this doesn't mean that long term they're not going to use Facebook and Instagram ads as well, or even YouTube for that matter. And in a lot of cases, those two platforms can work in tandem for clients. However, it does give you a starting place. So if most people are like, no, they Google me, then start with Google Ads. And if they're like, no, I need the random idea ads, that's where we go to Facebook and Instagram to start. Let me know if that's helpful for you.